Hey everyone, welcome back to 5-Day Crypto. My name is Chase. Today we are going to talk about Chainlink versus Bitcoin. Yesterday we talked about Chainlink versus the US dollar. Chainlink versus Bitcoin and Chainlink versus Ethereum are also two important pairs. So today we're going to look at Link Bitcoin valuation and see where we're at. We're going to take a look at the big picture. That's what we do on this channel. We focus on bigger time frames, the daily chart, the weekly chart, and even the monthly chart sometimes. We take a step back, we look at just the facts in the charts, we look at just what the charts are telling us. We don't focus on the news, we don't focus on the hype, and we certainly don't focus on, making a 37x by tomorrow morning. Although that would be nice. But so we usually just pay attention to what the price action is and not much else. So if you like that, like the video, give us a thumbs up, follow our channel. We also have a Twitter, a Telegram, and a Patreon. Patreon's for if you want to learn a little bit more. We do a private Telegram chat on there. We also have weekly videos that are exclusive to that, and also daily chart updates, and it's a little bit more personable. We have about 15 people on there now, so if you want to be the next, go ahead and find the link in the description below, and we'd love to have you. So let's go ahead and get started on the Link Bitcoin. You could see on our big picture time frame, now this is on a daily chart. This is zoomed out. And what is this dotted line? And what are we looking at here? So this is a market cycle for Chainlink that has just completed around this area. So what is a market cycle? This is a market cycle. So we've had our takeoff, our first sell-off, bear trap. We've done all the new paradigm, the bull trap, and now we are currently just coming out of despair. So you can see this dip below this dotted line. And let's go back and look again. You see our despair mode here. We've gotten back above our mean, and now we're kind of trying to struggle to get back to it. So technically, Chainlink is still in a bear market versus Bitcoin. This has nothing to do with US dollar. This is just Link versus Bitcoin valuation. The value of Link versus Bitcoin is in Satoshis on the right here. As you can see, about 60,000 is this level. So currently, we're only at about 50,000. So we zoom in. We have our moving averages here, and this is not what you want to see if you want prices to go up. This is your 21, your 50, your 100, and 200-day moving averages. This is exponential moving averages that you can see on the right, on the left here. Currently, our 21-day is about 54,000 Satoshis right here. Currently, we just said we're about at 50,000. We want to first break through that, start turning these trend lines around, certainly get back to our mean up here, this dotted line, which is currently about 65,000 Satoshis right now. So if we zoom back out, what do I mean by the moving averages sorted? You really want, for prices to move up, you want your moving averages sorted out least to greatest. 21, 50, 100, 200. You do not want them sorted out greatest to least, because that's where we are now. So we got to start flipping these back. You can see back before in early January, we tried to get this moving, and we got our 21 back above our 50, and it got rejected off of the 100. So currently, the good sign that we're seeing is, yeah, we made this push up, but so far we've been in a downtrend. We're making a high here, a lower high, a lower high, a low, a lower low, a lower low. But just recently, 2 days ago, yesterday, we just made a higher low for the first time since back in January, this year, basically. So what we want to see to confirm this reversing the trend is obviously price action moving up, these moving averages crossing back, but most importantly is once we start moving up, we need to make a higher high. So we need to get back above, currently it's right about, see this wick up here on the top? That's our high that we need to clear. So about 63,000 Satoshis, as you can see on the right there. If we can clear that, get these moving averages moving back up, perhaps Link versus Bitcoin will be able to get this move started again. That's what we're waiting on. You could see we're kind of in a similar move back here. See all our moving averages all tangled up back in here? We got to get these sorted out and then get back in order, and then we can put in our big moves. And if you remember, last summer, this is when Link was at $20 valuation. currently with Bitcoin's price at, what, $55,000, or just say it's 50,000. If Bitcoin is 50,000 and it makes these prices again, we're looking close to $100 link valuation. If it gets back to the 100,000 Satoshis and Bitcoin's at 50,000, the math on that's pretty simple. It's $50. A $50 link valuation is at this level right here, 100,000 Satoshis. So that doesn't even look that far, does it? A $50 Chainlink is right at this level. We're on our way, hopefully. We want to see these moving back up. We got to get above our mean, right back above this dotted line. Our first thing to look for is a new higher high. So that's what we want to look for. Another great sign is the Stochastic Rsi, which is your momentum of the move. It's currently just made a cross back up over the average. Your red line is the average. Your stochastic is the blue. Once we get above this level in the shaded region, that's when your momentum can really start moving again. That's when you've confirmed your momentum back up, and you're usually going to be going higher. So look at the previous moves. So currently we just crossed, right? So say February 26th was our last move. So what did prices do from February 26th to March 4th? Let's go look. So February 26th starts here, goes up to March 4th, right? Let's see the 4th. So even before then, just 4 days later, during that momentum move up 20%. Prices move up 20% against Bitcoin. March 4th, the total move was over 15%. How about the move before that? February 9th to February 15th. February 9th, here's our start. Let's see where we went to on, this was over a 42% move against Bitcoin on that next move. So it's not like it's a rare occurrence, but so far, once we have broken through this, we've got a nice move up. This was a 40% move. This is about a 15% move on this one. So we'll see if this continues up and pushes through into the shaded region. That would be a great sign. And I would expect a move against Bitcoin to the upside. Hopefully at least 15 to 40%. So we will see. Now for our car of the day, it is an Audi R8. This is the first generation Audi R8. They still make these, but they look a little bit different now. And our quote of the day. I appreciate you being around for this long. Hope you learned something new today. Let me know what you want to see next in the comments below. If you like this video, if you want to see more valuations against Bitcoin or against another coin, we can do that as well. So I appreciate you. Again, my name's Chase. I'm happy to answer any questions you have. Thanks a lot. I'll see you on the next one.